When it comes to collecting debts in the Netherlands, the process can seem a little daunting at first. But with the help of a professional debt collection agency, it doesn't have to be. In this article, we'll outline how the debt collection procedure works in the Netherlands, as well as the steps for legal debt collections. We'll also list 7 benefits of using a local Netherlands debt collection agency, and explain the process of collecting a business debt in Netherlands. Finally, we'll give you a brief overview of the court system in Netherlands for commercial debt cases. So whether you're looking to collect debts or are in need of a debt collection agency, read on for all the information you need. Overview of the amicable debt collection process in Netherlands. When it comes to collecting debts, the Netherlands has an amicable debt collection procedure that is designed to be as stress-free and straightforward as possible for both the creditor and the debtor. There are 3 basic steps in the amicable debt collection procedure. The creditor issues a formal demand for payment to the debtor. If the debtor does not respond or payment is not made, the creditor can take legal action. If legal action is taken, the debtor has the opportunity to settle the debt in court. In addition to these 3 basic steps, there are also a number of benefits to using a local Netherlands debt collection agency, including reduced legal fees, expedited process, no need to travel to the Netherlands, familiarity with Dutch law and court system, and personal service and support from start to finish. What steps to take for legal debt collection in Netherlands? So you've got a business debt that needs collecting in the Netherlands? Here's a quick guide to the steps you need to take for legal debt collection. 1. Make sure the debt is actually owed. Make sure that the debt is actually owed and that there is no dispute about the amount. If there is any dispute, it needs to be resolved before collection can begin. 2. Send a formal demand for payment. Once you're sure that the debt is valid, send the debtor a formal demand for payment. This should include the amount of the debt, the date by which payment is to be made, a statement that the debt is overdue and must be paid immediately, details of how to make payment, follow up on late payments. If payment is not received by the deadline, follow up with the debtor to see what's holding things up. You may need to start legal proceedings if they continue to ignore your demands for payment. Benefits of a local Netherlands debt collection agency. When it comes to collecting business debts in the Netherlands, there are a few important things you need to know. First of all, Dutch court system is quite different from what you might be used to in your country. And secondly, using a local debt collection agency is a huge help when trying to get your money back. Here are 7 benefits of using a local Netherlands debt collection agency. They know the Dutch legal system inside out and can navigate through it quickly and easily. They have extensive experience in debt collection and know how to get results. They're experts in cross-border debt collection and have a wide network of contacts both in the Netherlands and abroad. They're fully licensed and insured, so you can rest assured that your money is in safe hands. They're fluent in English and Dutch, so communication will be easy and straightforward. They're affordable, compared to the cost of hiring a lawyer or going through the court system. They can help you collect not just domestic debts, but also debts from companies located within the EU. Details on how to collect a business debt in Netherlands. If you're hoping to collect a business debt in the Netherlands, you'll need to have a good understanding of the country's debt collection laws and regulations. First and foremost, you'll need to be sure that you have a valid and legitimate claim. This means having proof that clearly shows that the debtor owes money for a product or service. Once you are confident in your claim, consider sending an amicable demand letter informing your debtor of the amount owed and asking them to pay promptly. If this does not result in payment, then legal action may be necessary. Consult with an experienced debt collection agency who can guide you through the legal process, as well as helping with skip tracing so that you can find your debtor if they attempt to hide away. With their expertise, your agency should be able to provide assistance throughout the entire debt collection procedure in the Netherlands. In addition to the legal measures, you may also be able to use debt collection methods such as garnishment. Of course, anytime you're dealing with debt collection, it is important to keep careful records of all correspondence and communication. This is true no matter where you are in the world, and it is especially important when trying to collect a business debt in the Netherlands. Make sure to document all the steps taken from initial demand to legal proceedings and the ultimate outcome. Keeping comprehensive records throughout the entire process will help ensure that your claim is valid and will be accepted in court. The court system in Netherlands for commercial debt cases. Now that you all have got a solid foundation on the amicable debt collection procedure in the Netherlands, it is time to expand your knowledge of legal debt collections. In the Netherlands, if an amicable debt collection is unsuccessful, then the next step is to take your case to court. This can be a costly and time-consuming process for businesses, but it is sometimes the only way to recover debts. The court system in Netherlands for commercial debt cases can vary depending on the seriousness of the situation. The court may grant a repayable installment plan with interest, which is ideal for small debts as it allows for quick resolution with minimal disruption to business operations. Alternatively, a writ of execution may be issued. This orders creditors or bailiffs to seize goods and assets from the debtor's property until they are able to pay off their debt. 2 fun facts about debt collection services in the Netherlands. As you are looking into collecting business debts in the Netherlands, here are a couple of fun facts to help you learn more about debt collection services in this country. First, many of the debt collection companies in the Netherlands are family businesses that have been operational for generations. In fact, Intercall, one of the top debt collection agencies here, has been around for over 25 years. And second, it is common for debt collectors in the Netherlands to be paid on a contingency basis. This means that they only get paid when they successfully recover your debt, so you do not need to worry about any upfront fees. By using a Netherlands-based agency, like Intercall, to collect your business debts, you can trust that their expert team will be working hard to recover these funds as quickly as possible. So, if you're looking for a professional and successful debt collection agency to help you recover your debts in the Netherlands, Intercall is definitely the right choice. With over 25 years of experience in the field, we have the expertise and knowledge to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Contact us today to get started.